Hey, Ryder.
Hi.
Back from school?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come on, come inside. What do you see?
I don't know.
What? Where? Cool. You wanna go open it? Look at all your Octonauts. Dang, we're gonna open this one. Which one is this one called?
Go back.
The what?
Go back. Go okay.
The Gub K? Oh. Okay, let's see, what does Gub K have? What are those?
Ski.
Skis, okay, cool. It's a remote control. That's awesome. Alrighty. It's the Gub K remote control. You ready to open it? You excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and open it. Let's take a look at these. What's this one called?
Go H.
Gub H? How about that one?
Go B.
Gub B? How about this one?
Go pack.
And then what's that one?
It's not good.
Oh, it's not a Gub? It's a suit?
Yeah.
What about these over here?
Go best.
Gub X. How about this guy?
Go bow.
Gub O. What's that?
Go D.
Gub D. And what about that?
That's go C.
Oh, that's Gub C?
Yeah.
How about this?
That's not good.
Oh, that's not a Gub? Okay, cool. Go ahead and open it. Let's check it out. Let's put the camera here. Oh, go ahead, open it. You need me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Knocked down.
Oh, it's okay. Need help?
Daddy, this is the last. This is the last cup.
This is the last Gub.
I forgot to take off my shoes.
Oh, you can take off your shoes. This is hard to open, huh?
Yeah, where is so tight and where is
We're
so
just gonna rip it. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, water squirt out. Oh no.
Because I take it back.
Yeah, you go back with it.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
Wow. Every
There we
awesome.
go. Okay, you can open those.
I'm not a truck. So there's an alligator.
And again.
I'm a truck.
Okay, let me take these wires out.
Go. These are from the go. This is the water cannon.
Oh, yeah.
That is water over like this.
I'm ready. Let's see what we have.
They are shopping thing.
Let's see. Okay, oh, it goes up here. Get the other one. Oh, awesome. What is that? It's got teeth. Whoa, it's got jaws.
I got jaws like Jaws
Yeah.
from
teeth like-
Roblox.
From Roblox? Yeah. That is cool. Too cool. Okay, what are these guys?
Captain Barnacle.
Captain Barnacle. Okay, let's see if we can get it. It's all wet. Oh no. I can't do this one hand. You want to help me?
The bow is not working. I cannot do it with this one too.
Oh, back here. There we go.
Daddy, why don't you do it quickly so I can play with it?
Yeah. Okay, here's that. And Captain Barnacle.
Hey, look! Barnacle to Guts! We cannot even move this. Daddy, we control the gun.
Okay.
A, go, B, go, go, pay, go, D, go, E.
Oh, you control all that?
Yeah.
Whoa, nice. Okay, cool. Okay, let's put Captain in the driver's seat. Cool, okay. Where's the water cannon? Oh, there it is.
The water.
Put the water in there. Stick the water inside there. There you go, is that it? All the way?
Yeah.
Okay, shoot it. Oh!
It's supposed to be upside down.
There you go, awesome. Where did it go?
It's red.
There it is.
It's spinning like a fire truck.
All right, awesome. Which was that?
The alligator.
That's an alligator. Whoa, hey, that looks just like that. That was an alligator.
Another.
Cool, big wheels. Oh no, he's gonna eat him.
No, stop.
Oh, he's not.
Alligators like to go in here.
Oh, he goes in there?
Yeah. He cannot swallow him.
Awesome. Cool, give me the remote. Let's see what we can do with the remote.
Daddy, there's no battery.
Yeah, I need to put batteries in here. Okay.
Stand right here.
Okay, we just put some batteries in there. The remote right here takes 2 AAA, and then the Gup K takes 4 AA's. So let's test it out. All right. Nice. Whoa, this is fast. Man, you can do a 360. That is super fast. Is that cool? Is that easy to control? Nice. Okay, straightforward. Oh, nice. Walk closer, maybe. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, there he goes.
And this one.
Oh. Oh no, they fell down. Look, Captain fell. Oh, look, the mouth opens. Cool. He's gonna chomp you. Ah. Whoa.
Alex in the kitchen.
It's in the kitchen now. Oh.
Oh my god.
Whoa, look. There's Tokyo.
Oh my god.
Tokyo. You play Tokyo? See if Tokyo like this. Tokyo. Whoa, Tokyo's scared.
She's like walking behind me.
Tokyo, you scared?
It doesn't find up.
Tokyo.
Ooh.
Move
She
it,
can't
Ryder.
smell it.
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Treats.
Ryder, move it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's fast.
No.
Let's compare the size of that to this one. Okay, bring yours back.
What's the
Let's
size?
see. Whoa, they're
Hey.
almost the same size.
Yeah.
Let's see. Put all your guts there. Bring the other guts too.
This one.
Yeah.
I think this one's much longer.
Okay, bring it down. Let's see.
Is this much longer? Like the shorts? Oh.
Oh yeah, that one is longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to put all your gubs together? Let's see. Put all your gubs line up.
Why not?
Yeah.
No, these are my god. Oh my god, it's wet. So wet. Oh gosh, it all sprayed.
Okay, is that it?
It all sprayed.
Oh, it's got some over here. No, Thor doesn't care.
He doesn't care.
Yeah, he doesn't like gubs.
He don't want to mess with it. Why George don't want to mess with it?
Because those are your toys.
Oh.
Thor's got his own toy.
Alright.
Whoa, okay, let's count. What's this one called?
Knock up.
Oh, what about this?
Okay.
Cup K, this one?
Go X.
Cup X,
Go X.
Cup S,
Go H.
Cup H,
Go B.
Cup B.
No,
This is the suit, huh?
no, this is go E.
Oh, Cup E. Okay,
A suit.
yeah.
Go bow.
Cup O,
Go C.
Cup C. Dang, you got a lot of cups. That is nice.
Me the character.
Oh, all your characters? Okay, you can put your characters there.
I do the one.
We gotta find all the vegetables.
Tulip.
Yeah, Tulip. Where's Tulip then?
I'm upstairs.
Oh.
You know the red little guy name?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, we still got a lot more characters here.
We need more.
Oh, you got a lot.
The last three.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
Oh
What
my.
about the net? Where's the net go? Is that an Octonaut? Those are not Octonauts? Oh, okay. Okay, point to me where all those gulps are called. Ready? Okay, point your finger to it. No, start from down here. Which one was that one?
The
Point to it, yeah.
the O. Soup. The B. The H. The S. The F.
Okay, cool. What is this? It's like a station. Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa, it squirted water. Look at that. It just came out from the ocean. Awesome.
Daddy, I want to stand these up.
Okay.
Daddy, I think I'm going to fly.
You want to fly?
Now fly.
Oh, you are.
I'm not flying.
Okay. This looks like fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whoa, shoot the water cannon. Whoa, all the way over here.
Oh.
Here you go.
Don't just don't kill. Because toys are like eating toys.
Yeah. Alright, so that was the Gup K, everybody. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, cool. Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
See you again.
See you again. Subscribe to Ensense Kids.